Hello, good morning and welcome to
Idiot Cam.
yeah, Idiot Cam. Woo. 7, 8, who knows? It's Tuesday, could be day 8, but I am actually going to film a room tour before we leave. We are checking out today. We're doing Chinese Theatre, Hollywood Walk of Fame, and then we're going to be in Disneyland property. Yay! Very excited, but first, room tour. Oh, so we walk in the door. To your right is a lovely cupboard with the light turns on when you walk in. A good size safe which we have been using. We'll close those doors. A nice little coffee maker with the cutest cups, to-go cups. We have actually got bottled water every morning. We get free water every morning, which is quite nice. A good sized fridge, which we have been using. We'll turn to the left. We've got like a vanity, Hannah, unfortunately, a sofa, table, the window, the bed, 2 good sized bedside tables, a good sized mirror, and then we'll go into the bathroom. I really love this decor, really nice. Oh, your cleansing balms in here, Hannah. This is also good because we can do the dad's sweep while I'm doing this. Quite good. Toilet. I'm loving the like little accents, the handles and stuff like this. Great big mirror. They did have like a vanity set for us, which is quite nice. We have used it. And look at the shower. I don't know if you can. It is massive. How does everyone get fit in? We do have obviously shampoo, conditioner. It's actually quite nice. I'm gonna take a photo of this and see if we can get back home. But look, it was actually a really nice shower and powerful. It wasn't like a shower, which we quite like. But yeah, that is it. It is 12 o'clock, so we bang on, so we should be checking out now. So let's go check out. Found the Disney section, well, a little bit of it. That's brought me to the biggest tat shop I've ever been, which is coming.
Looking at tat shops.
Yeah, look at this. It just keeps going on. We found Disney! Woo! Let's go. We stopped for a Ben & Jerry's. I got a sort of caramel blondie and a marshmallow sky. Very excited for this. How cute is this? We're on the way to the Funko shop. Yeah, hug! This is amazing. This is great. We're back at the hotel to pick our bags up, but I don't think I showed you downstairs, so here we go. How cute is this? Trying to tuck people in. Like a bar, some seating. Down there is to the pool. Let's go put the bag and head to Disneyland. We have arrived at the new hotel.
I'm going to get a snack when we get to thing because I'm famished and I can't ask for 8:30.
It's 7:15. We've got Splitsville booked at 8:30. So we're going to Down Disney and World of Disney. Yeah. Have you got the key?
Yeah, I think I do.
Because there's only one.
Buy them anyway right now.
We're in the Mickey benches. Oh, yeah, it's Downtown Disney. I've never seen a Disneyland park so close to another one. But Paris. Actually, it's closer than Paris, isn't it? Both parks. This is great. We're going to Downtown Disney. My sunglasses are going on. If you see white bits in my hair,
Sorry, cut that out.
I don't even know what you said. If you see white bits in my hair, you haven't. Oh, me and Hannah keep giving each other electric shock. Oh yeah, I burnt my head. Oh, but not looking. I burnt my head and it's peeling. This is great. Everyone's in Disney. Yeah, it's people here like you pick the page. Oh God, Hannah, the page to have the stone.
What kind?
Stoned? I don't know. Or is it like when they first built it? Who knows?
I feel like you're not taking.
First item has been picked up. First Mickey shaped snack is being brought and eaten in our partners. Right, pin trays in.
No, I don't really like it.
Hands like pins, but she's looking. I found my Disneyland one.
Oh, why don't you get a surprise?
Oh, yeah. Hannah's amazed. I don't think she's done what pin trading is before.
Are you getting one?
Yeah, I'm going to purchase. No. I'm just wanting to know if there's I think pin picked off this pin.
Maybe when we're in there on that there will be one.
Oh, that's lovely.
That is cute. That one's lovely too.
Oh, I draw
those ones are so nice.
They're $20. Oh, they're DBC, unfortunately.
Is it yours? Yeah. It's gonna be through the glass doors on the left hand side.
Thank you. We're in Splitsville. I'll show you the menu.
I'm so excited about this.
What?
I'm so excited about this.
I think I am gonna go for the teriyaki chicken. Hannah's gonna go for
Well, I am tempted by chicken Alfredo.
oh. We have also just ordered.
I'll get about because if you look at Italian.
Yeah, I've also ordered a white peach sangria. Wow. Let's try it. We're coming out of the Disney park. Splitsville was really good, but just really full. Hannah's burger was. How was your burger?
Not okay.
Spicy. Like I had a taste, and even I said it was spicy, and I can handle spice a lot better than Hannah. But yeah, let's go back to the hotel.
Oh, we could ask at the hotel about which room.
Yes, there looks like there's buses for like hotels around here, but we don't know which one. We are just going to walk back. It took about 10 minutes to walk here, if that. He said it was a 21-minute walk on Google.
But tomorrow we're there till midnight.
Yes.
I ain't.
The park's up until midnight tonight, so hopefully
stay till midnight.
we'll see. You can see the fireworks. Wow.
No, not when you cross the road.
Once again, in bed, about to go to sleep before I finish the vlog. So, au revoir. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.